So I'll just try to layer it as much as possible so that it's a groove.
Yeah.
This can be groove 1, groove 2, groove 3, and if anything happening, just stop and tell me the idea, so I'll execute it immediately.